Okay guys, so we're going to be making some jeera rice, and these are the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make it. So here I have 3 green cardamoms. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds. I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Here I have 2 dried chilies, a cinnamon stick, a bay leaf, some ghee. Here I have cilantro or coriander leaves, and here I have 2 cups of washed and soaked basmati rice. So I soaked my basmati rice in a little sea salt for about half an hour, and it is now drained. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use, and of course we're going to be adding water. For this 2 cups of rice, I'm going to be adding 3.5 cups of water. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to add some ghee. We're going to add some ghee to our pot. I'm going to toast the spices. I'm going to put in the bay leaf, the cinnamon stick, our dried chili, cumin seeds and coriander, and I'm going to add in the salt one time. So let's just toast these. Alright, so I'm just toasting my seeds a little in order to help to bring out the flavor, and of course the flavor of the other spices as well. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my rice, and I'm going to toast my rice grains a little as well. I usually like to toast my rice grains. It helps to bring out an almost nutty flavor. So usually I always toast my rice grains before I add water. In order to take my jeera rice to the next level, what I'm going to do is add a Knorr chicken stock cube. Now if you want to keep it vegan, then you don't need to add that, but I'm going to add this to it as well. Well, let me open it out here. So I'm going to add this chicken stock cube, and this is just to help enhance the flavor of it. This is optional, obviously. This is not traditional, but it will enhance the flavor of the rice. So that's why I've decided to add it. I'm just using the back of the spoon to try to break up the cube. Okay, so I've been frying my rice grains for a while. So now I'm going to add the water. Okay, so I'm going to let this come up to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to turn my fire down to low, and I'm going to cook this rice for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes, I'm going to turn off my fire, but leave the rice covered for a further 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm just going to lightly fluff the rice, And at this point, we will be adding our cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. But let me just fluff the rice a little. Alright, so we're just going to add our coriander leaves to it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with family and friends. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.